Okay, now here we are, Sunday, 10:40 a.m. So 40 minutes after the last thing I filmed. So there's the water. You see, there's the sump pump in the corner. There's the water. Is quite a bit. Had to get the dehumidifier out of there. So yeah, so you can see how far the water is coming. So the patch where it was damp before, the water has covered all over. There you go. So the water is just, oh man. So every time it rains, the water backs up, fills up this room as much as it's going to fill it up. It's going into the other room too. So there you go. That's the outside walls. Side wall, outside wall. And these are the walls to the other room. Paneling's been removed. Follow the sump pump cord. There's the hose. That is full tilt in the basin.